Wow. Ganda ko dyan. It's good too.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So we're doing unboxing today with this one, the one that I purchased. We're going to try this Hawkers Sunnies. So I'll just drop the link in there because they're on sale. Let's try and unbox this one. So yeah guys, they're actually on sale. That's why I only purchased this one. You can get this one to their website. You can just jump into their website by the link down there in the description box that I'll be putting in there. And you have to buy 2 to get it. I think it's $59 for 2, just for the 2 of them. And as I remember, this one is actually almost $80 each, so that's already a big discount, I think. So yeah, let's try. So ito yung image niya ng pinurchase ko, and let's try if mag-work siya sa aking nose. Wow, ganda ko dyan. Ganda ko dito. Ganda siya guys. Yeah. Sakto sa aming Wool Bay adventure. And this one. Looks good too.